Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more creative videos on Python with Excel. Long back ago, I think it might be 1 year, 1.5 year or 1 year, 8 months back, I had done some videos on Python with Excel. The videos were how to import Excel file using with Python. Then we have seen import Excel file in Python using pandas. We have seen lot of videos on pandas. Little bit concept of data science. So I'm back with new creative videos on Python with Excel. Today we are going to see a creative video on Python with Excel. I will be writing in Excel file using Python with graph. Yes, with graph. So let us go through. It is done using Streamlit. As you have gone through many videos on Streamlit, such as face detection, face recognition, attendance system, then age and gender classification, then foods and vegetable classification, then image detection, and many more. Today's video is really interesting, so please watch video up till end. Now we'll go through the main program file, that is main.py. This is a very Streamlit file. We can see here we can see Streamlit. Okay, now I will show you okay. Now I will show you the data Excel file, CSV file. Here this Excel file, CSV file. We can see here last data inserted was bar carrot 500 with rate and total 500. That is, now we will see program execution. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. Now I will be inserting data in Excel using Python. First of all, I will change the start date. Start date in from 1. Okay, fine. To 3. Okay, fine. Now I will be inserting data in Excel. Carrot with quantity 600.0 and rate 12.0. Now save data in Excel. Yes, data has been saved in Excel. Now we will see here filter data Excel. Now we'll see here order date, choose, we will choose product, then after carrot we will add quantity. Now we can see instead of carrot we will whole wheat, then 700 quantity, rate 60, sorry, Yes, yes, graph is displayed. Nice graph is displayed. Now whole wheat has been added successfully. Now I will add potato chips with quantity 800 and pride 40. Fine. So data in Excel, but graph is not showing. I will check. Product and this thing. We will add here 2411 to 25 to 1. Now we will add, we will do refresh. Okay, fine. Again it is 24 1 to 25 1. Now filter Excel, then 24 1. Okay, fine. Instead of Houston, I will add to New York, the famous city. Now for potato chips, I will add region 900 860. Yes. No, order date not coming. Now we will add. Yes, these records are added just now. 25 4 is Boston bar chart and this thing. These are there. Filter edit. I will add total price here. Fine. Then this data I just now added. Wheat, carrot, this thing 840 and this thing. Yes, graph is coming. That's what I want to show you. Product and unit price. These graphs are coming. I want to show the just now added carrot, chocolate chips, whole wheat, and this sums, and then whole wheat was, carrot was more. Now I will add more data. Instead of carrot, I will add chocolate chips. Then like 890, then rate 80, 80. Yes, here something change will be there. Yes, chocolate chips 80. This graph bar chart is there, and here the changes are coming. 8. Here also changes are coming. 3000 total price on this bar graph and this thing. So chocolate chips and these things. Now I will show you. Instead of Boston bar chart, I will add cookies. Yes, something is going on. Then cookies has different graph and this thing. So here also the graph is this is a product. Which product is more? That chocolate chips are more. This is also the high price that is coming and number of item stocks and this thing. Now I will show you the Excel file. Okay, 250. Now I will show the Excel. Now is Boston bar, carrot, whole wheat and this thing. So data in Excel. Now we would see that yes, 500 and these things are saved, and I will then okay, fine. So I successfully done with writing in Excel file using Python with graph. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Python with Excel and if possible data science. Then I will do one thing. I will add total price. Okay, total price of this thing, total price and this thing, values are there. Then whole wheat that is coming. Yes, graph is coming, very nice. Whole wheat graph is coming, and I will add date 24 1 10 24 04 1 25. Yes, right now we'll see here. So data in Excel. Yes, jar code we added in this thing. Then we will see all fields required. Unit price, city, product, total price, region and quantity. Now we will see order date 2002. Instead of Boston, I will take Los Angeles. Instead of carrot, I will take whole wheat. Then 780, unit price 70. Yes, whole wheat has been added successfully, we can see here. Yes, whole wheat and Los Angeles has been added successfully. I will show you now. Yes, right now it has been added 24/4 in this thing. Now what I will do, all fields are required at the time of adding. Now what I will add, Boston, no, I will add New York. So whole wheat, instead of whole wheat arrow 1000 and unit price 10, 11 will take it. Yes, carrot has been added successfully. We can see here. You need to close the file to save the changes. If the file is open, the data has been not saved properly. Yes, Los Angeles, and this thing has been added. Now I will close the file. Carrot has been added. Yes, category is there. Instead of carrot, I will add chocolate chips 960. Yes, data has been set successfully. Yes, Boston chocolate chips 900. So I successfully done with how. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will be back with more creative videos on database, Python with Excel, and I will be slowly migrating towards the data science, and I will back with more and more creative in Python with pandas. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. I will be back with more and more creative on machine learning, web development, and if possible React, Node, Munstack, full stack using Python also. So thanks for watching.